complexion, body of a goddess, 22s on a Lexus, name Alexis. Honey complexion, body of a goddess, 22s on a Lexus, name Alexis. By the way of Texas, big thanks Rolexes.
Welcome back. What's up, y'all? So it's been a while. This vlog is Valentine's Day themed. No. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Fucking with Alexis. I'm Alexis, and this is the Valentine's Day theme. Right there. Boom. So, what we're gonna do, because I'm hungry, I ain't eat all day, I've been running errands, running around. We're gonna cook some jerk chicken and some cabbage. Now, my cabbage, it looked a little spoiled. Well, not a little, but a lot of it looked like spoiled. So I'm gonna cut this up and see what I could pull out. And if it's not enough, then I'm gonna add some broccoli to it. But if it's just enough, we're just gonna have some cabbage and some jerk chicken. So I'm gonna grill the chicken. I baked it the other day and that was cool, but I wanna see how it tastes when you just grilling the chicken and then, you know, putting that jerk sauce, putting that jerk seasoning. So that's what we're gonna do. After I cook, we're gonna get into my hair and my nails, and then tomorrow we're gonna finish the rest of the errands. So y'all know what it is. Come with me. All right, y'all, so we got our chicken breast and we got our cabbage. Now, I picked through that cabbage and I picked out what looked good, and I added about like 5 broccolis. I know, right? 5 fucking broccolis. Listen, I don't got that much broccoli left, but I just wanted it to, I guess, look a certain way. So this is what we got. That's marinating in some water. And then I cleaned the chicken, and now I'm about to just season and let that sit, and then we're gonna get on the stove.
Tell mama that I'm living my dream.
Back row.
Tell mama that I'm living my dream.
Ain't it crazy how I'm living a dream?
Ain't it crazy?
Mama said I'm crazy out here. Got that flag in my jeans. I know I'm banging, yeah, I'm aping.
Leo. Always for Leo.
It's crazy how a nigga out here in this jungle. My stomach rumble, standing on that corner. I'm trying to get that change for my son and my little daughter, yeah. I spin around there like I'm Jackie Joyner. She looking good, you know a nigga on her.
Purchase your track today.
She got that ass looking good in them jeans. I got that work cooking good for them fiends, you know what I mean, huh? I got them 10s with them 20s too. Huh. A nigga counting all this money, boy, I'm sleepy now. Them niggas tried to creep me down, I got that hammer on my waist. Now that hammer in his face, click, clack, boom, nigga. When I step inside the room, huh? Ain't it crazy how them times change? I was 14 when I caught my first case. Gladiator school, yeah, they taught me how to play. Baby mom's calling me, I'm out here with the game. Dirty clothes on and I'm trying to get some change. Ain't it crazy how a nigga out here living his dreams? Remember times I was fucked up, living with fiends. Mama said, boy, you crazy if you know what I mean.
Tell mama that I'm living my dream.
Ain't it crazy how I'm sitting in that coupe now? I press a button and all of a sudden I let the roof down. I feel like Bishop, cause you know I got the juice now. Rider man, shit, you ain't playing, but who now? He dead, huh? I got the juice. I guess I'm fair, huh? I get that bread, and if you put it on my head, huh? I still fuck around and cop a drop chop just to cruise through the city. And when I die, I hope they do me like Biggie, huh? Take my body through the sky, ma. Don't you ever cry, ma? Just roll that window down and have them niggas listen to my song. Let my life live on and on. I live my dream. You know what I mean, mama? I remember times when I was chilling with the team, mama. You told me, get up off the corner, you made a scene, mama. But guess what? Now I'm living my dream, mama. I was 14 when I caught my first case. Gladiator school, yeah, they taught me how to play. Baby mom's calling me, I'm out here with the game. Dirty clothes on and I'm trying to get some change. Ain't it crazy how a nigga out here living his dreams? Remember times I was fucked up, living with fiends. Mama said, boy, you crazy if you know what I mean.
Tell mama that I'm living my dream. Tell mama that I'm living my dream.
I really did it, mama.
Tell mama that I'm living my dream.
Ain't it crazy how I'm sitting in that coupe now? I press a button and over They gon' pick 'em up. Tell them Brody and them different with that stick thing they hitting, and I swear to God they lift 'em up. Last night, caught him at the store, that's how we hit him up. Brody and them different, they start hitting, they gon' pick him up. Fuck nigga, why you say my name, that's what you get for slipping. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, and then I put the clip in. Slide on him, baddie on my side, swear I'm finger dipping. All my homies ran me, they got bodies, yeah, my niggas different. He cocking, anytime you say my name, I swear to God that we poppin'. Shorty taught me if I really started beatboxing. Man, they say that Grizzly floor really got the streets poppin'. Got the streets poppin'.
What's up, y'all? So I'm back. Right now, I'm walking to the nail salon to get my feet done because although I do my own nails, I don't know how to do my own feet yet. So that's what we're going. We're going to get my feet done. And y'all just gonna come with me for that.
Girl, come closely. Turn me on. Turn me on. You tell me stay, I tell you no. You tell me leave, I tell you go. You want to dance for me. Love how you dance for me. You tell me leave, I tell you go. You tell me stay, I tell you no. You love to dance for me. Love how you dance for me.
Alright, y'all, I'm back in the building. I know I ain't show y'all too much footage from the photo shoot because the angles just wasn't adding up. But I was like, let me come in here and show y'all these little mini skirts I got from Rainbows. Look at this skirt, it's mad cute, yo. It was, how much? $20 a skirt. This is a medium. I don't know where you located, wherever you are watching this, but this one I got from King's Plaza in Brooklyn, New York at the mall. And I know all Rainbows don't all have the same stuff. They come with shorts at the bottom. Mad cute. Okay. When the summer come, I'm gonna be acting real bad in these skirts. Look at these little mini skirts. They so cute. This with a bodysuit or a turtleneck or what? This is cute. So I was like, let me show y'all the food I got from Munchies. So we got some onion rings, some fries, and a spicy chicken sandwich. Y'all, I'm about to tear this mother up. Watch your mouth. So that's it for the vlog. I'm gonna eat this food and I'm gonna probably go out after. I'm not sure because I don't want my makeup to go to waste. But I might. Yes, somebody texting me. But yeah, I might go out because I don't want to waste the makeup. My skin is already starting to oil up. Yes, I got oily skin, y'all. Sometimes I hate it, sometimes I like it. But when I have makeup on for too long, then I start getting oily. If you're an oily girl, you know the vibes. But yeah, I'm about to chow this down and then I might step out. But thank y'all for viewing. I hope that y'all have a lovely Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whatever the case may be. I hope your day is filled with love and positivity and somebody that genuinely cares about you and they just don't want to just get into your goodies unless you don't care. But I just hope y'all have a good Valentine's Day, y'all, and this is filled with love, okay? You know I'm a Scorpio, so I love me some love and some passion and some intimacy. So thank y'all for viewing. Love you.